Really like that 5-minute trend. I'm just looking here for sellers to defend it. Got my contracts ready to go. Staying patient here, but hasty, ready. Staying diligent. Liking it, liking it, liking it. Liking it. 5, 6, 8, 80. All right, 2-minute closed. PDH is right there. All right, I'm going to hop in this, guys. Hold up. I'm in it. All right, I'm in this short. And my stop is going to be, let's see here, like right above. We're going to go with 570. Let's get that short play here down to end of day. I know I entered a little premature to the green bar here on the 2-minute being ignored, but I didn't want to get too far away from previous day high, right? I really didn't want to get too far away from PDH. I liked what the 5-minute looked like. I like that we closed below PDH. I like that the cloud obviously is red. I like our little, sell indicator here, or the HPT indicator that I'm going to post in the chat for everybody once this live's over. That signal that the trend is down. All right, now we're getting a very nice GBI right here on the 2-minute green bar. Starting to get ignored here. Very nice selling. Very nice selling. Great job, guys. Really good job here. No matter how this trade plays out, I think we did an amazing job with it. Now I'm going to identify this GBI. Up 25% here on these SPX puts. Looking for a move here down to end of day. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. It's literally textbook right there. 39% ROI. See if we can get a push here to EOD. Alright, watching this green bar that was just previously ignored. I want to make sure that sellers continue to hold this area. Just like we've been doing on the 5-minute. Let's whip out SPX here. Sometimes you hit critical levels on SPX out of nowhere. Alright, you see sellers coming into that? Right, got a very nice push here from sellers. Buyers are coming back up into this GBI. I want to make sure that sellers hold this level. And now my stop is now bumped down to the top of this GBI, right? So it's going to be 56966, which honestly, I got in this trade around 56930. So as you see how I did that to manage the risk properly here. Right? Even on a day like today, you can find a way to manage risk, right? You could always find a way to manage your risk, and it's hard. It's especially with price action like this. Only thing I don't like about this trade right now is that SPX is coming into the 50 EMA on the 5-minute. It's the only thing I don't like. But I've done my job. I've identified my risk. I've identified my potential setup. Looking for that move down to end of day here. That was a quick move too. I mean, I was up like 48%. I chose to stay in the trade. But this one candle right here on SPX, I was up 48% return on this candle. It's one of the, oh, look at that. Beautiful. Come on, give me that. Give me that nice. Give me another GBI here. My boy Eric's in this. My boy Eric scaling out one runner. Well done, my friend. Very well done. Great job. Great job, bro. You got to be able to lock them in. You know what I mean? You got to be able to lock it in. This is a game of probabilities, right? You got to be like, okay, you know, if I'm trading 4, 5, you know, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 contracts, locks them in. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with that. It's honestly actually the main way to do it. Got my boy Nick on here, right? Nick, this is a perfect example of the green bar ignored. This has been very pivotal for HPT, right? Because this is a very good way for us to get in and out of the market, right? Like it helps you on days manage risk, right? Like in a fantastic way. At 34% here. This is definitely a scale out. But, you know, I'm also, you know, there's a few things obviously going on, right? But, ooh, look at that. Very nice. So, going back to the GBI, green bar, ignored. Green bar being ignored again. This is most likely, if we weren't, ooh, there we go. Look at that. Just got a very nice push. A lot of volume coming in there. This might be, it's definitely a scale out for me. A lot of volume down here at EOD. Definitely a scale out. And then the rest, I'm going to put my stop right here at 569, right above this green bar right here. A lot of volume coming into that.